honest. I know you're bad for me, but I find it complicated. Seems where my mind is on a mission to be where you are. I know where you are, I know I'm not far, but maybe I should be, and keep a distance from what could be the biggest mistake in my life to ruin me. But look what you're doing to me. Cause in my pride won't say I'm addicted, but when you're gone it feels something's missing. And then I'm thinking, why am I feeling for something so close, even though there's a reason? It seems the reason don't hold weight. My mind says go, but my heart says wait. Wish the pain could give me a break before I go. We're making another mistake. About what if I never find out? If I didn't choose a path, but I chose find a different route. I guess I'm trying to figure it out. Is it really that bad? I know that it is, fooling myself and it makes me mad. Gets me sad at the fact that I know that it's tearing me apart, but I wanna be torn so bad. Think about who I hurt in the process. My family and friends, they know this. But your mental habit of mine got me trapped behind a different state of mind. I feel the reason don't hold weight. My mind says go, but my heart says wait. I wish the pain could give me a break before I go. I'm making up a mistake.